Hi everybody, I want to show you really quickly how to use Loom, which is really just a way to record your screen. It has two huge benefits I feel like that other things don't have. Number one, it is super easy to use. There's no uploading, there's no downloading. You create it and you're given a link. And number two, it also puts a little picture of you for your students to see as you're talking. And I think that's just another way that we can use to connect with our students when we're not seeing them really face to face. So in order to use Loom, you do have to have the extension downloaded to your Chrome. You'll see Loom is this little reddish pinkish one that's right here that I'm kind of circling around. I'll have instructions for you how to do that in a different video. So when you are ready to record for your students, you will click that extension and you'll see that your picture shows up in the lower corner of the screen. You can choose that it's just a picture of you or you can choose that it's actually you talking. Don't be afraid. You don't have to go back and watch it. It's just a good way for your kids to connect with you. I'm going to choose full desktop. And when I scroll down over here, it's not going to let me. When I scroll down over here, I'm going to click on Start Recording. Once I start recording, I'm going to choose what I'm recording here. You'll see that I have a countdown, but you'll also see the tools that I can use in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Right here, if I want to change I guess you can't. And there we go. I can change how big my picture is. So that's really big. So I'm going to stay small over here. And if I get started and I just hate the video from the very beginning, I can go ahead and click on that X to cancel it. It will ask me if I'm sure that I want to cancel it, yes or no, and proceed. If I get interrupted, go ahead and click the pause button. When you do that, you'll see that it pops up at the bottom that you're just paused. And then I can click resume when I'm ready to continue. And then when I'm happy with my video, when I'm done, I would click this button here. But I just want to show you that this is Amanda Scott's Canvas page for today. And she could go through and talk through with her students who are virtual that day, the in-class agenda, and explain to them what she wants them to do. When she clicks on this PDF, it will open. And that will show to the students. I don't know that you're going to be able to see it on this screen. Okay, there we go. So when I click on it, it will show up. It does take my picture away down in the corner, but I think that's okay. She can talk through what she wants her students to do with this handout and then come back to her Canvas course and continue discussing with students. When you're finished, you'll click that check mark in the bottom corner and see up here, it automatically just gave me it copied the URL to my new video. It is that fast. If I end up copying something somewhere else, I can go ahead and pick up the URL again, either right down here, copy that link, or in the share, you could also get an embed code if you'd prefer. So this is the link that you could put on your Canvas course, for, if you're at home today and you're supposed to be in school, click here. This is also where you can do some editing. You could change the name very easily and put the day's date in just to simplify it. You can do some editing of your video, but I just want to encourage you that, stumbling over our words, it's fine. That's normal. Normal class, we're going to have those things anyway. So I think that helps our students connect with us even more when we have things like, oh shoot, that's not what I meant to say. Let me say it this way instead. You guys, I'm here. I know this is really challenging, and I know there are a lot of things you are working through and trying to get done. If I can help you in any way, please reach out. I am happy to do that with you or for you or whatever. Okay, have a great day. Bye.